Alright, this is assignment 5 for GAM 470. First problem was to create a skybox. So here is the skybox class. And this is for the specific TGA that I found online. These are the pixel coordinates. Let's see. So then we do the shader texture as the texture, and then open the TGA as the texture, and then obviously create the skybox. And here's the demo. And it's not real high res yet, but as you can see, kind of blocky. Alright. So that's the skybox. Problem 2 was to create a terrain. So let's see, create a separate model. So here's the terrain model. And its height I guess it's a square. So the side is equal to the number of pixels in the image that you're choosing. And so from that, you create the number of vertices and number of triangles right here. And then you set the U and the V, and it's similar to the flat plane where there's number of repeated textures. So I will run that. And there's the terrain. Alright, that's it for assignment 5.